Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a project 4 LED transistor flasher. The components required for this project are one breadboard, one 9-volt battery, one battery snapper, 4 47 kilo ohm resistor, 4 470 ohm resistor, 4 10 microfarad capacitor, 4 DC 547 transistor, 4 LEDs and few connecting wires. First of all, we'll place our BC547 transistor on the breadboard. Take a 47 kilo ohm resistor and we have to connect this resistor between positive supply of battery and the base of the transistor. So let's connect one end of resistor to the base of the transistor and another terminal to the positive supply of the breadboard. Like this. Similarly, we have to connect other 47 kilo ohm resistor to the base of the transistor and the positive supply of the breadboard. We have connected 47 kilo ohm resistor to the base of the respective transistor. Now we have to connect our LED. LED's shorter leg is called as negative terminal and longer lead is called as positive terminal. We have to connect the positive terminal of LED to the battery's positive and negative we have to place it somewhere on the breadboard. Like this. So we have to connect the LED's positive terminal to the positive supply of battery and negative terminal anywhere on the breadboard, like this. So we have connected our LEDs on the breadboard. Now we have to connect a 470 ohm resistor to the LED. So one end of 470 ohm resistor needs to be connected to the collector terminal and another end needs to be connected to the negative terminal of LED. So we have to connect a 470 ohm resistor between collector terminal and the negative terminal of LED like this. Now we'll repeat the same with all the respective transistors. So this is how we have connected all the 470 ohm resistors between the collector terminal and the negative terminal of LED respectively. This is our capacitor. The longer lead is positive and the shorter lead is negative. So positive lead we have to connect it to the collector of the first transistor and negative lead we have to connect it to the base of the second transistor. So like this we have to make the connection. Capacitors positive to the collector and capacitors negative to the base of the second transistor. We'll do the same thing with rest of the transistors. For the last capacitor, we have to connect the negative terminal to the first transistor's base terminal with the help of connecting wire. So we'll take a connecting wire, connect its one end to the negative terminal of capacitor and connect the another end of the wire to the base of the first transistor. Like this. Now we have to connect the emitter terminal of all the transistors to the ground. So take a wire, connect it to the emitter terminal and connect it to the ground like this. Repeat the same procedure for rest of the transistor's emitter terminal. So this is how we have connected all the emitters of the transistors to the negative of the breadboard. Now let's test the circuit by connecting the battery. Now we'll connect a battery to the circuit. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the power rail of the breadboard. and the negative terminal of battery to the negative rail of the breadboard. As you can see, the LEDs have started blinking alternately. So this is how a 4 transistor flasher LED project works. Thank you so much.